Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a template. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a template in Evernote is a simple process that can help you save time and maintain consistency across notes. So once you open the Evernote app on your mobile device, depending on what you're using, if you're using an iOS or an Android, there is a three dots icon on the bottom right corner. You see the more option. Click that and click the templates. What will happen is, as you can see, you can create your templates, save any of your note as a template from the note settings. All right, so we'll do that. So first, click the create button here. Let's create a new note. Okay, so what I'm going to do is type in something like, for example, I'm gonna how to create a template. Now for title, and then I'm going to add, you see the plus button on the bottom left corner. What you can do is you can insert task, calendar. For example, if you want to insert a calendar, you can do that. All right, choose an event, and you can do that here. On the plus icon, you can also add an attachment, a link to note, link, table, for example, a table right here. If you click the plus divider, you can do a lot of things here. Checkbox, and a lot more. I'm going to add an image here. Now, once the image has been added, so I think we're good to go. For you to be able to save this as a template, click the three dots icon on the top right corner. All right, now hover down to the very bottom where it says save as template. It's very easy. Now, when you hover to the template section, all right, you go here in the more options, click the templates. Now, if you go to the template section, if you click that, what will happen is it will allow you to quickly create new notes with a predefined structure, all right, saving you the effort of repeatedly formatting the same sections over and over. And of course, using the template ensures that your notes follow a consistent format every time. This is especially helpful for work tasks, project tracking, of course, personal documentation that requires uniformity. Templates can be tailored for specific purposes, for example, in a meeting, making it easier to stay organized and find what you need when looking through your notes. And of course, from there, if you are in a collaborative environment, if you're working with multiple freelancers or within a client, you might want to put him here, put their name and email. You want to make sure that you give them an access, such as anyone with a link can view, anyone with a link can edit. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.